lovely people, I'm Nysha and you're watching me on your favorite channel to learn English. Let's talk. Today's lesson is all about beauty and the compliments that come with it. Every day we look at ourselves in the mirror while getting ready to start a new day, and each one of us tries our best to look the best we can, right? And why? Why do we do that? It's because looking good makes us feel great on the inside, and that feel-good feeling gets projected to the world on the outside, doesn't it? If we feel we look good, we automatically feel confident, and that confidence shows in the way we carry ourselves. Now, who doesn't like receiving compliments, right? I know I do. So there are so many ways to describe beauty in this big wide world, yet the way to describe beautiful people always boils down to the standard adjectives society uses to describe someone. He or she is hot, cute, good-looking, pretty, to name a few. But beauty is completely up to one's own perception of who or what someone may find beautiful, right? So it doesn't have to be limited to just physical beauty, does it? A person's mind, a person's heart can be thought of to be beautiful. Hence the phrases a beautiful mind or a beautiful heart. So to communicate this effectively, I've got for you 20 beautiful phrases you can say to someone to let them know just how beautiful you think they are. So guys, even though Valentine's Day has just passed, any time is a good time to express to your partner your undying love for her, isn't it? Why only wait for Valentine's Day to compliment your lady love's physical beauty as well as her beautiful personality, which you fell head over heels for? So here are some great phrases for you which you can definitely say, guys. Let's begin. The first one is, for me, it doesn't get better than this. You're a perfect 10. For me, it doesn't get better than this. For me, you're a perfect 10. This phrase means that for you, your girl is the real deal. She's the one for you. And you find her perfect in every way. From looks to personality, you feel she's a perfect 10 overall. Hence the saying, for me, it doesn't get better than this, you're a perfect 10. And it's surely a phrase that your partner would love to hear, and it would make her day, so do use it. Next we have, you make my heart flutter. You make my heart flutter. This means your partner makes your heart beat so fast, which can also be called fluttering, due to the immense amount of love and attraction you feel for them. Young lovers who have just started dating may experience this fluttering sensation. It could be your first love, and if it is your first love, then that fluttering is something you must have definitely felt. So do use this phrase, you make my heart flutter. Next we have, I think you're the most beautiful woman in the world. Well, surely if you find your lady love extremely attractive and have eyes just for her, then you can surely say this phrase, I think you're the most beautiful woman in the world. Such amazing things one can tell their loved one, isn't it? Now let's talk about all the married men or guys in a serious relationship with their lady love. There are many times when you want to express to your partner, your fiancé, your wife, your girlfriend, how beautiful you think they are. So here's a few wonderful phrases you can use to express your feelings. We have, your beauty is incomparable. What does this mean? It means that for you, your partner is so beautiful that there is no comparison at all. So to let them know that they are the one for you, the one and only in your life. You have only eyes for them. You could say to them, your beauty is incomparable. And that will surely get your lady love to blush. Next we have, you look absolutely ravishing. Say you and your partner have to attend a wedding and your partner is all dressed up in an elegant, eye-catching dress. You take one look at her and you want to say how beautiful, you look so beautiful, but you don't want to say that, do you? Instead, what can you say? You can say you're looking absolutely ravishing in that dress, honey. So you can also use the following phrase, you look like a vision. A woman can look like a vision no matter the color of her dress, as long as you think that she is absolutely beautiful in that particular garment. As though, she's looking almost ethereal, like a goddess. She looked like a vision on our wedding day in a white lace dress. Next we have, I can't take my eyes off you. I can't take my eyes off you. I'm sure a lot went into dressing up for me tonight, honey, but you make it look so effortless. I swear I can't take my eyes off you. Next we have a sizzling beauty. A sizzling beauty. You're a sizzling beauty, my love. It's another way of telling someone that they're beautiful. Say these sentences to your lady love and she'll surely be impressed and will surely reciprocate the feelings for you in equal measure. Now, who said complimenting someone on their beauty is restricted to just between lovers? Let's look at phrases that can be said just to about anybody who you find beautiful. Look at this phrase. I love the way you look today. I love the way you look today. Imagine you're at work and a work colleague of yours is wearing a lovely yellow dress, which is really complimenting her physique and skin tone, and you want to give her a compliment. You want to let her know what you feel. So you can say to her, I love the way you look today. That dress really suits you. Be sure you would have made her day with that compliment. The next phrase is looks to die for and drop dead gorgeous. These are two phrases that mean the same thing. Somebody you find absolutely beautiful. So for example, say your boss, who you have a huge crush on, walks into the office looking rather gorgeous in a crisp shirt and trousers. You keep discreetly staring at him, at every given opportunity, and the phrase that comes to your mind is, he has looks to die for, or he's looking drop dead gorgeous today. You can say this phrase to someone who you think is absolutely beautiful or good looking, enough that their looks could kill, if that was possibility. You could also say you're looking dapper today. Dapper meaning really, really handsome. This phrase is used to compliment men. So all you ladies out there, you can use the word dapper to compliment your guy. The next phrase is you look so radiant. You look so radiant. A friend of yours is expecting her first child, for example. And as you know, during pregnancy, to-be moms tend to have this beautiful glow about them, don't they? So, your friend is like looking great, she's really glowing, so you really want to compliment her. So what can you say to her? You can say, you are looking so radiant, you're glowing. Now women, especially close friends, show each other mutual admiration for one another through compliments. It's a girl thing. And I'm sure all the ladies watching this video must do this with their girlfriends, right? So what exactly are the phrases one says to their girlies to let them know how beautiful you think they are? Say your friend has posted some lovely pics of herself on social media, like on Instagram or Facebook, and she's looking beyond pretty. The best she's ever looked. She's lost a lot of weight and she's looking fabulous. So, and you want to comment on her pictures. So girls, what can you write? You can say to her, you beaut. You beaut. This is a typical British expression which is short for saying you beauty. You beaut. Do use it. Next we have you're such a stunner. You're such a stunner. You can also say you look beyond gorgeous, girl. You look beyond gorgeous. As women do, they appreciate another good-looking woman even if they don't like her as a person. Because if a woman is good looking, who are other women to deny that, right? So how would women compliment another? Say a celebrity or a famous personality, for example. You could say, she or he is arm candy. This means an attractive, seemingly romantic companion who accompanies a person in public, at an event, simply so that one or both of these individuals can gain attention, enhance their social status, or create an impression of sexual appeal. He's my arm candy for the event. Next we have the phrase a head turner. Now, who would you call a head turner and what is a head turner? A head turner is someone who you find so attractive that you have to literally turn around or at least turn your head to look at them again. He or she is such a head turner, somebody you have to look at again. Next we have a blazing beauty. A blazing beauty, meaning a woman's beauty is raising the temperatures and it's getting very, very hot. You may have read in newspapers fashion critics using this term in the following way. The blazing beauty showed off her toned body in a figure-hugging couture number. number meaning a garment. And lastly, let's look at a scenario where a guy is madly in love with a lady. Could be someone he works with, a friend, a neighbor, someone he met at a party or a wedding. They get to know each other, and over time the guy feels that the woman he so loves is so beautiful, but she'll never really agree to date him. And why? Why would she never agree to date him? Why does he feel that? It's because, he feels that she's too good for her. She's so beautiful. She's too good looking for her. So still he plucks up the courage to tell her how he feels. So what does he say to convey this? He can say, you're so attractive, but you're way out of my league. You're so attractive, but you're way out of my league. To be out of someone's league means that you find someone stunning or so handsome, but feel they are too good for you. And it would be unrealistic to think that they would want to date you. You're so stunning, but you're way out of my league. You're so handsome, but I feel you're way out of my league. Realistically, no one would like to be told that they are way out of someone's league, as you don't know how the other person feels about you. It could be mutual, so do be careful when using this phrase so as not to offend your love. This brings me to the end of a beautiful lesson. Do use these phrases for your loved ones and make them feel even more beautiful, especially from the inside. Beauty should be admired, shouldn't it? Which of these phrases are new to you? Let me know of other ways of how you tell somebody that you think they are beautiful. I look forward to hearing from you. Guys, ensure to keep learning and keep practicing your English because, as they say, practice makes perfect. Until the next time, take care, guys, and stay happy, stay blessed. Bye.